Let's get familiar with the net change theorem. The net change theorem states that the new values of a changing quantity equal the initial value plus the integral of the rate of change. In other words, we can say that f of b is equal to f of a plus the integral of f prime of x dx from a to b. Using properties of equality, we can also write this as the integral of f prime of x dx from a to b is equal to f of b minus f of a. Let's look at a problem that involves the net change theorem. We are given a problem with a growth rate and are asked to find the population after a given number of years. Recall that the net change theorem states that the new value of a changing quantity is equal to the initial value plus the integral of the rate of change. In equation form, f of b equals f of a plus the integral of f prime of x dx from a to b. Let's substitute our values into this equation. Since x is the number of years after 2010, x equals 0 represents the population growth in 2010. 2016 is 6 years after 2010, so x equals 6 represents the year 2016. Thus, the values for a and b in the formula are a equals 0 and b equals 6. So the equation becomes f of 6 is equal to f of 0 plus the integral of 150x plus 103 dx from 0 to 6. Now let's evaluate the integral and substitute for f of 0. In the year 2010, the population was 15,000, so this is f of 0. Integrating, we get 75x squared plus 103x from 0 to 6. Evaluating, we get 15,000 plus 75 times 36 plus 103 times 6. Finally, simplifying this expression, we get 18,318. Therefore, the population in 2016 will be 18,318.